Hi guys, good morning. I'm here at Palm Springs with Esther.
Good morning.
And Bianca. Show Bianca. Say hi to my vlog, bitch.
Bianca's just like, good morning, Palm Springs.
Anyways, I came to Palm Springs with Esther, her sister, her boyfriend, her sister's boyfriend. And we're here for Splash House, which is like a pool party event. They might put it inside though because of Hurricane Hilary. They haven't said anything. They just said that they might. But we got here last night. I went to sleep. Esther went out to party because that bitch is fucking crazy. But I did it because this morning we actually scheduled a yoga class at 9:30 a.m. So that's where we're gonna go to first. And we're gonna go to the pool party. So I'm super excited because I haven't even been out in such like a long time. And as you said, they got an ice bath at the yoga place that we're going to. So
Let's get on it.
I'm about to head out. It's so hot. Wow. Is this where the party was?
It's in here a little bit and like in the pool and then all down. But yeah, this is where, it's not where it was, but there was a DJ right here luckily.
How cute. And you guys, yesterday when we walked in here, everybody was like partying on here. It was like college. It was like spring break. Whee! Tomorrow we're going to the pool. Look how fucking cute. Wow, everybody's balconies are all decorated. Everybody's signs are so funny. Jehovah Thickness. Fresh Prince of Splash House. Okay, y'all, we're going to the ice bath now. These are our rides of choice. Why didn't we take the shuttle again?
Because I don't know if it's on. I don't even know.
Oh.
Being adventurous.
We don't know where the fuck the shuttle's at, but there's only 3 bikes. So we said, fuck it, us.
So I'm gonna go after some girls.
They're fighting, y'all. Y'all, OOTD, because we is going. This is what I look like. Loose see-through. Not too much. Glasses are from Walmart. Okay, Esther's getting mad. Okay, y'all, I came to get breakfast with Esther because we love to eat breakfast and we love our coffee. This is what I got, an iced vanilla latte with oat milk and then a breakfast sandwich. They put the chipotle mayo on the side because I really don't know what that is, but I'm gonna try it, but I'm just not sure if I'll like it. And this what the fuck kind of bread is this? Brioche. A brioche. And Esther got
chilaquiles.
Chilaquiles.
Over medium eggs. Looks bomb.
Period. And we're just waiting for some potatoes to come in. I feel like you always get chilaquiles, no?
I do.
That's like your signature breakfast.
Because I don't want to make it at home.
Do you?
At work, I don't want to.
I know. I looked up a TikTok on how to make it, and I'm like, you gotta blend a tomato and shit. I'm like, nah.
And cut your fucking tortillas and fry them.
Yeah. And then I found out they put like a little bits of onion in there, and I'm like, oh no.
Yeah, someone said put purple onions. I was like, no, I'll leave those out.
Check this out, y'all. National Weather Service, a flash flood warning. a flash flood warning.
Oh, this is gonna work.
It's okay, we'll make the best out of it. Wait, does this mean that you guys can't use the shuttles now? That we can't use the shuttles?
We can still use the shuttles.
Because it says don't travel.
I mean, we're going from event to event, unless what they said. They would cancel it if we weren't able to drive.
Okay.
They didn't mean don't travel as in, like, don't fucking go on a road trip. Don't fucking go to another state, a city. We're on the street, girl. It's barely sprinkling. It's like literally a mess.
No, it's not. Have you been outside?
Yes, I literally just went outside like 5 minutes ago.
Go outside again. It's raining harder now. I'm looking out my window.
Bianca.
It's literally pouring, babe.
Oh, you've never driven anywhere when it's pouring rain?
Yeah,
like, what the
Esther
fuck?
does not want to give up. I told her earlier, I was like, I don't think the shuttles are going to work. She's like, no, they mean don't go on road trips.
Like, it's raining and everyone's like, well, guess we can't go anywhere. Like, sorry, work, I can't come in today because the weather said I can't drive anywhere. Like, no, your work doesn't go fuck. Life does not give a fuck. People drive in worse conditions.
There's more cops out now stopping people that are driving because of Splash House.
I'm dead.
You're sad.
Pulled over your paper made DUI?
Oh my god, stop being dramatic.
Esther's like, it's a little drizzle.
I know. That's what I'm like. Are you sure?
Alright, well, we'll let you know what we're gonna do.
We're gonna hang a sign.
Are they just gonna stop the shuttles? Like, just because it's fucking raining, no one can drive a bus?
That's what I'm saying!
Yes, because there's a flash
Literally
flood.
saying there's not.
They sent a SOS. There's a flash flood.
Like, give me back my money then. Like, give me
Oh,
back
that's
my
good.
money. If
That's
I
a good
can't go
option.
to the other fucking venues? No, give me back my money.
Yeah.
You signed it.
Drive.
We're walking.
Okay, these are our outfits. These trash bags. Because Esther refuses to give up. Refuses to, like, not go to that other hotel for Chami.
Smile.
You're gaslighting me. You're trying to make me feel bad. I will not feel bad.
Smile. Smile.
I'm not gonna say nothing because I'm gaslighting. Let's just go.
No. We're gonna get there and I'm gonna be like, but did you die?
That's what I'm scared of. God, please. you look like a turtle. You look like your shell. Oh, Jesus, y'all.
I know we should have just wore our chocolates. Just lift them.
Never back down, never what? Never give up. Never back down, never what? Ew. Ew. Oh, my shoe almost fell. My shoe is hanging on by the shoelace. Ew. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god, y'all. Ew. Ew. This bitch left me. Hi. I should have just worn my motherfucking trousers. Okay, everybody do another round of shots for the vlog. Yeah. Everybody do. No. No, y'all make the vlog look good. Not me. Everybody who did in the beginning. You are everybody. Yeah. That was disgusting. I'm a back watch.
Everybody except
Just fit it back in there. Woo! Hey! Up! Trying to get the angles, Chris. Hey! Oh my god!
Alright, tell me how your splash house experience was overall.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Wow, that's giving it a lot.
This is coffee. Where'd my coffee go? I don't know where my coffee went. Damn it.
This coffee is a 10 out of 10.
This is why I'm here. This is why I didn't give up.
I would say my experience at Splash House was like an 8 out of 10. It was like, yeah, the weather, but also waiting for the shuttles. And they said that they were going to come faster
Who the fuck
than
drank my coffee?
they came.
Oh, we dumped it. No, we dumped it.
Wow.
No, we didn't. You did. Why did you dump
I
it?
thought it was old.
Yo, motherfucker, this is crazy. Now I get the fuck out of here right now.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, I guess.
So before I was rudely interrupted.
I thought it was old.
Baby, you can't just dump people's stuff. It's not yours. Don't touch things. Anyway, 8 out of 10. Yes, 1 point because of the weather. One other one because we were stuck at our hotels and we couldn't go see other stages because they turned off the shuttles. And also the time it took for the shuttles to come on day one was a little bit long, but overall, good experience. Would I come back? Yes, with maybe in June because there's no hurricanes and yeah, and it's my birthday month.
So we are going home today. Yesterday was the last day. The event that I'm at, there's 3 different hotels that you can shuttle to because there's 3 different stages at each hotel. So anytime you want to see a different artist, you can just take the shuttle and you can travel to a different hotel and go to listen to different music. But because of like the Hurricane Hilary and the flash flood warning text messages, we were not able to drive, so they like shut the shuttles down. So we ended up just driving to one of the hotels anyways, which is where Esther's sister's at, Bianca, and we mainly just chilled with them because the DJs in that hotel room weren't the best. They were kind of like slow and boring, so we were mainly just in the hotel room chilling. There was literally a point where everybody was just laying down because we didn't know what to do. And yeah, I pretty much fell asleep with Bianca. The other people were partying. That's their business. But that's why Esther's asleep too. I went to go get breakfast by myself and had an iced latte by myself, so that was nice. I'm really glad I came on this trip. Did I have fun? Yes and no. I'll be honest, I had fun because I was with my friends. I was with Esther and I was with Bianca, and it's always a good time when you're with your friends, you know? But the setting, the environment, like, I think it's safe to say that I'm like over it. It wasn't 100% boring. It was really cool to listen to music, and the community is really friendly here. So everybody was nice. There was no fights. But yeah, I think I'm just over that era in my life where it's like I don't do raves. They just don't bring me that same joy that they used to when I was in my early 20s. And I think that's okay. And I think coming here made me realize that, like, okay, you are for sure over this. Like, you're for sure over this. But honestly, I don't mind that I came. I really like that I came because, like I said, I got to hang out with Esther. As you get older, you don't really hang out with your friends as much as you think you will. Like, I remember graduating high school and just being like, I'm gonna be friends with these people forever, you know? And then 18 through, I wanna say maybe like 25, you guys just hang out together every single day, every single second, and then you guys start getting more responsibilities and jobs and payments, and your body doesn't move the same, and you're like tired, and you move away. Esther and I live even further from each other now because I moved cities, so we don't get that same access that we used to get with each other. So that's why I didn't mind that I came, and I'm happy I came. The setting sucked, but the company is what matters. Company is what matters.
That's her top pilot.
Also too, I think it's really important to acknowledge that friends go through different stages in their life, and sometimes it doesn't align, but you can still make it work. Like for example, when Esther and I first started raving, I was the wild one. I was trying to be out late. I was trying, you know, dabbling in the D-rugs a little bit. Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, I think he stopped. But anyways, like I was saying, I think it's important to acknowledge that you and your friends are not always going to be on that same level when it comes to life. You know? You guys are not gonna be on that same growth spur at the same time. And even though it does make it hard to be friends, it's still doable. When Esther and I first started raving and going out to parties, I did not have a boyfriend that I stood together with. Esther was in a relationship for like 10 years. When I met her, she was in a relationship. So I didn't know any other Esther. She wouldn't really go anywhere where there was like extra guys. If there was extra guys, she was really respectful to her man at the time. She wasn't, you know, crazy, and she didn't even really show ass. She'd be showing ass now. Okay, let me just put it that way. She wasn't on that wave, but I was showing ass. I was talking to everybody that I could. I was staying up late. I was just, you know, taking advantage of my body, not treating it well. And now that we're older, I want to say maybe like 5 years older, the roles have switched. Now I'm in a committed relationship where I'm in my wholesome era, you know? I'm in my wholesome era. I'm in my wife era. And everybody's gonna go through different stages in life, and we just went through ours backwards, you know? I'm watching her grow, she's watching me grow, and we're both very respectful towards each other's boundaries and each other's goals. When I came with her on this trip, I told her I don't want to do any after parties, I don't want to get crazy drunk, I don't want to do any of that stuff. And she was really respectful of it. When other people offered me stuff, she was like, no, she doesn't want to, she doesn't want to, she doesn't want to. She was like sticking up for me, you know? She wasn't being that friend that was like peer pressuring. And I was just trying to be that same friend back, you know? You want to stay out late? Cool, stay out late. I'm gonna be right here in this room. Call me if you need me, okay? Oh, you wanna shake ass? I'm gonna cheer you on. So I'm just super grateful that I have a friend like that in my life, especially from high school, because that's literally the last one that I have left. I mean, I have Dana, but she's, oh look, there's Esther right now. Speaking of the devil, look who just walked through the door. Okay, y'all, we just touched down in our city, well, Esther's city now, so we're closer to home. We came to eat. I'm getting huevos rancheros, and so is Chris. Oh, Esther's food hasn't came yet. We'll wait till her food comes.
So look at my queso. Look at this
Big ass.
cheesy.
That's her meal for right now. This is what we got. I'm gonna wait till you get your food to eat.
Oh, right behind.
Can we get more tortillas? And then do you have salsa for the chips? Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Please,
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Spicy. Good. What up, y'all? I am home now. That event was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm really trying to hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I don't know if that's possible because I'm not sure how like the algorithm works on YouTube, and I'm really not even on the creator side that much, but I'm pretty sure if I'm just consistent and I put out good vibes, that it's doable and I can reach it. So thanks so much for your support. If you're watching this, please subscribe. If you don't have an account, just make one. It only takes like 3 seconds. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my new YouTube video next week, and I can't wait to meet all you guys, all my new supporters and stuff like that. People that, I like to say supporters because y'all really do support me just by watching. Like, that's a really, really, really big support. I don't care if you like have my videos on in the background while you're cleaning or doing your makeup. Like, that don't even matter to me. The fact that you're watching and the fact that you're subscribed is like, it's huge, bitch. There's actually good people out there besides myself. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna head out now. I'm gonna get started on next week's video so I could be, you know, consistent for you guys. And yeah, I love you guys. Peace out. Stay safe. Stay blessed.